Subscribe to my channel and hit the bell icon to never miss any update from Mani Talwar Makeovers. Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. As you can see, today I'm done with my base. So today I'm going to show you the eye makeup tutorial for sunset eyeshadow. So let's get started with it. When we are doing eyes, first step is eyebrows. So starting with my brows, I'm using eyebrow pencil to fill up my brows. Brows should be lighter in the beginning. Usually I do my eyes first and then base, but this time I'm going to do my eyes in the last. So my first brow is complete. Now I'm doing the same with the second brow also. Now using the Maybelline concealer to highlight my brows. It is an important step as it not only enhances your brows but also gives a complete look to the eye and to the eyeshadow. So repeating the same procedure with the second brow also, and you should use a one tone lighter concealer to your skin tone to conceal your brows, as it will enhance your brows. Now I'm applying the same concealer to my eyelids also, as it provides the base for eyeshadow, and I'm going to spread it all over the eye so that you get a finished matte base for eyeshadow. I'm using the Eye Magic palette and going to take the light yellow color and applying it in the inner side of the eye. As the yellow color is not much pigmented, so instead of blending it, I'm just dabbing it on the eye. Now I'm going to take the orange eyeshadow and applying it in the center of the eye and blending it lightly with the yellow color so that the yellow and the orange color should be pop nicely. Next is the pinkish one, and I'm going to apply it on the outer side of the eye, and also I'm creating a little bit crease line also with this pink eyeshadow and blending it with orange. I'm taking the purple eyeshadow and going to give a tint of purple color to provide depth to the socket area. I'll keep doing it till I don't get a perfect colors, like going from yellow to orange to pink and to the purple. I had completed my second eye off camera. So next, for highlighting my brow bone, I'm going to use my drugstore palette. It makes your eyes look beautiful and also it pops out your eyeshadow colors. And for eyeliner, I'm going to use the Pot gel liner and applying it with a brush from inner corner to the end of the eye and creating a perfect wing. I'm going to do a fell and flicked eyeliner. You can check my video in which I had shown the tutorial to achieve such looks. The link of this video will be attached in the description box. So after completing my wing, I'm going to increase the eyeliner from the inner corner so that it will give a perfect fell and flicked eyeliner. I had completed my eyeliner of both the eyes off camera. Now I am applying the Lakme waterproof smudge proof kajal, which is the best kajal that I had used so far. It is the best kajal in the cheaper rate. So next I am going to take the black eyeshadow from Eye Magic palette and applying it on my waterline with an angular brush, as it will provide a half smoky eye look with some brighter colors. Doing the same on my second eye also. And it will make your eyes look beautiful. For under eye smudging, I'm taking the same light yellow color which I had used in the beginning of eyes, and next I'm applying a reddish orange eyeshadow and blend it with yellow. I want to create a mix of colors to the eyes so that my eyes looks colorful. So as we know, we had to do the same with the second eye also. So I'm going to blend it properly so that my eyes look colorful. Now next step is applying lashes, which I had applied off camera as it is a difficult step. So next I'm adding mascara to show my lashes little bit fuller, and I'm going to apply it on the upper and lower lash both. You should apply the mascara gently over your lashes as sometimes it gets detached if you do it fastly or roughly. So that's how my eyes are looking by applying mascara and also after completing my eyes. So this is my final look. If you like this look and enjoyed this tutorial, do hit the like button, share and subscribe to my channel, and don't forget to comment down below and tell me which more looks you want me to create for you guys. So this much for today. See you in the next video. Bye bye.